discovered the emotion of victory in motion. Home of knee repair, not knee replacement.
I mean, there's a bunch of different creams out there. BioFreeze is just one brand name, but these type of creams are fairly safe, unless some people, their skin might be a little more sensitive to other people. So that's maybe a con, but a pro is it's very rare that that happens. So they're usually very safe. What they do is they kind of stimulate your skin nerves to take your brain's attention off of the pain deep down inside the knee. They don't really do anything for deep down inside the knee. So a con, I guess, would be they don't treat the root problem. A pro would be they're pretty safe. They can, temporarily kind of make you forget about both consciously and subconsciously the pain. They might give you a feeling of warmth because a lot of them have capsaicin, which is basically what's in hot peppers. And that kind of tingles or stimulates those nerve fibers to give you a warm feeling or distract your brain from the deep down inside pain. Some people, it can help their knee loosen up a little bit when they rub the cream on there. So that's a pro. A con would be it gets on your clothes. It's kind of messy. They're kind of stinky. Another pro might be you can just buy it over the counter and try it for yourself. Obviously, you always want to read the directions on the back and make sure you're not sensitive to it. So, it's relatively safe, but on the other hand, it's not really doing anything for the root cause of the problem. So it helps with symptoms. That's it.